2023 has been a really incredible year for the Rimac Nevera. So in April we set 23 acceleration and braking world records in a single day. In July it became the fastest ever production car up the Goodwood Festival of Speed hillclimb, and today we are here at Nürburgring, so we are attempting to set another record, the fastest electric production car. So the two lighting green stripes in the middle are actually very significant to us, so it's connected with the history of the brand. The color is inspired by the BMW M3, which is brainchild of Mate Rimac and the car that inspired him to create the company. Today, lighting green meets the mighty green hell.
Nevera was developed definitely for the road. It was supposed to be a very powerful hypercar from the beginning, a car that you can use for a long distance drive, but also that will be fun to drive with like B roads and also on very fast roads.
A lap of Nordschleife is long and it requires absolute concentration and focus at all times. You must adapt to the changing track conditions, respond to elevation changes, and also make split-second decisions. The thrill of pushing that Nevera to the edge of possibility is exhilarating.
We do have the fastest production electric car on the ring. We also learned what it means to have high expectations.
Apart from the hot weather that surprised us, it was very mixed conditions throughout the whole week that we've been here. We obviously decided to be very hot, so it was challenging, but it felt great. This result is achievement of many hardworking people working very hard, months and months, so we can be here and we can even attempt it. So when I realized that we've achieved our target, I told myself, mission accomplished.
Driving a Nevera is a very special experience, very emotional experience. And Nürburgring is definitely the pinnacle, so it's the most demanding track in the world. If you want to make a statement, this is the place to be, this is the place where you need to do it.